Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Z and you're watching Lifing with Z. So as you read by the title, today I'll be showing you my makeup collection. And just a disclaimer, it's like there's nothing fancy, it's like bare minimum. I know some of you might find it bare minimum and some of you might be like kitni sari cheezein hain. The thing is that like since last 1.5 years we have been in quarantine, so I haven't bought anything new since like almost 1.5 years. So without any further ado, let's get started. First in my collection comes this compact. This is by Fit Me. It's like just a basic compact powder. And in case you are wondering, I am in the shade Light Ivory. Also, I forgot to mention one thing, that this video I won't be showing my lipsticks because I added 2 shorts showing my lipstick collection. If you haven't checked them out, do check them out. And I haven't bought anything new since, so it's like pointless to add lipsticks. But if at all you want to see my lipstick collection, you want to see a in-depth video of that, do let me know in the comment box and I'll make a video. Yeah, I just thought that I wouldn't add them in this one because first I made a shorts and secondly it would just get really longer and it's pointless. Next we have this BB cream. This one is by Spins. So there's a story behind it. I generally don't use much of base products because it just does not suit me, and I had to go for a function and like my dark circles, my spots were looking like really bad, so I just ran to the nearest drugstore and just got whatever I could find this. I obviously didn't have much expectations from this one, and the fact that it also looks yellow, but it looks yellow, the cream looks yellow, but apparently it just looks really good on my skin and it somehow works. Next we have my kajals. So first one is this Maybelline New York ka Colossal Kajal. As you can see, it's like really old. Next I have this brown kajal. This one is by Wet n Wild. I love this kajal. Like since the time I have switched to this brown kajal, I only wear brown kajals now. I don't wear the black one anymore. Third we have this eyeliner / kajal by a brand called Eyelina. So apparently this is like a very beautiful eyeliner, but somehow it does not stay on my waterline. So I just use this one as a eyeliner. Let me just swatch it for you. You see this? It's like such a beautiful metallic shade. Also, if this mobile phone annoys you, I'm really sorry, but I'm doing this just for the audio. Next, we have a mascara. This one is by Maybelline New York. I just love Maybelline. I like somehow every time I go to a makeup store, I first go to the Maybelline store. Maybelline is my go-to makeup company. This is Maybelline's Hyper Curl mascara. Next we have this is ombre blush. This is ombre blush by Wet n Wild, and as you can see, it looks like pretty much new, and the reason behind it is I don't really use it much, and I don't not use it because I don't like it or because like I don't use blushes. I do, but the thing with this one is it's not at all pigmented. Like, let me swatch it for you. You see, there's barely anything, and whatever is there, it's on this finger. Now if I use this finger and apply it on my cheeks, it won't show at all. Like, you see, it's not at all pigmented, so it's pointless. And last but not the least, we have this eyeshadow palette. This one again is by Wet n Wild. This is their Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette, and it is in the shade Nude Awakening. I generally don't use eyeshadow palettes because I don't use eyeshadow at all, but I really like this one because it has all the basic shades. As you can see, it has browns, it has blacks, it even has some highlight shades, so I don't even need a separate highlighter. I use it from this one only, and it is like crazy pigmented. Like, let me show. You see this? Like, you must be wondering कि ये तो black है, black तो pigmented होता ही है. Let me show you other shades. It's a really pigmented eyeshadow palette, and it is like really very affordable. I'll link all the products in the description along with their prices, so do check them out if you want to. And that's all the makeup I own currently. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, don't forget to be glowing and growing your way through life. Thank you.